Some beauty tips for summer to help you take care of your skin, hair, and overall well-being during the warmer months. Sun protection. Apply sunscreen with a high SPF regularly to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Hydration. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Lightweight skincare. Choose gel-based moisturizers, serums, and cleansers that won't feel heavy on your skin. Exfoliation. Regular exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and keeps your skin looking radiant. Hair protection. Shield your hair from the sun by wearing a hat or scarf. This helps prevent sun damage and protects your hair from becoming dry and brittle. Light makeup. Opt for lightweight and breathable makeup during summer. Cooling facial mists. Keep a refreshing facial mist in your bag to spritz throughout the day. Stay cool. Seek shade when the sun is at its peak, usually between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. This helps prevent overheating and sunburns.